Alright, time to tear this sucker down. I'm going to be taking out all the interior today, so that way we can replace the whole full floor pan in the floor. It does have some patch panels on the bottom, so we do want to drop that whole floor out of there. And we will do a whole brand new floor in it. And we'll recover some seats. Just do some basic stuff to it. Skyroof Nova, 1972. But it'll be nice when I'm done. We have already pulled the motor out, pulled the transmission out. That is gone. Had a really bad oil leak, so get this all cleaned up, replace some of it. There's the old motor right there. And new motors right there. That's what's going to be going back in it. Little 360 small block, aluminum heads, hydraulic roller cam, comp cam, lifters, roller rockers. It's got a peak Jackson gear drive in it. Edelbrock Enduro Shine carburetor, and also the Enduro Shine intake manifold. So again, should be a fun build. It is a factory 72 Skyroof Nova. Very hard to find. But all in all, body of the car is pretty clean, except for that floor pan, which will be like brand new when I'm done. More pictures to come.